Action. Hello everybody. Cut. Action. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Claudiane Francois. Claudiane Francois, je parle en anglais, je parle en français. Je m'appelle Claudiane Cadet Francois, je suis née en Haïti, j'ai été élevée en Haïti, j'ai déménagé ici, j'ai immigré aux États Unis quand j'avais 18 ans, après le temps remonté en 2010. So I just decided to create a channel where I get to be myself and I get to talk about me, myself, my experiences, everything you name it. I'm a wife, I'm a nurse, I'm a student. I just registered for my graduate program and I'm super excited and super anxious about it. So I want to take you guys through this journey with me. And yeah, so then I created this platform because a lot of people maybe know me from my Instagram. So I'm going to put the link right here. Please add me or follow me on Instagram or all the social media, because this channel is going to be revolutionary. I'm gonna be talking about everything. Dans toute langue qui existe, moi parler créole, moi parler français, moi parler anglais, mi espagnol un poco, pero I'm gonna try. So I'm so excited to be here and to create this channel because I get so many good feedbacks about my page on Instagram, and a lot of people were like, oh my god, you should open a channel. I used to do lives and stuff. So let me tell you in a nutshell what the channel is gonna be about. So I'm gonna talk about nursing, how to get in the nursing program, how to stay in the nursing program, and what's happening after the nursing program. That's it. Deux, I'm gonna talk about me being a Haitian and the culture and everything, you know, being a Haitian mom, how I raised my daughter as a Haitian mom, and how she was born here in America, and how I like initiate her to my culture, and how, yeah, to teach her about her ancestors and how she got where she is right now, you know what I mean? And how I'm a wife. I'm married to Kevin Francois, represent. And we've been together for 10 years this year, and how we got to this. So we're gonna talk about relationships, we're gonna talk about everything, you name it. Food, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make food for babies, Haitian food for babies, parce que quand on est petit haïtien à pleurer, so for baby ti moun a manger jam, va manger blanc, on va good food. So my mom's gonna teach me, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to make it. So I'm super excited about this channel, and I really want you guys to please subscribe and tell your friends, your family, your cousins, everybody about this channel, because this is the channel to be, this is the family to be part in. So thank you, merci de m'avoir accueilli chez vous. So restez branchés parce que je vais poster beaucoup de vidéos, and please click on the little bell right here. Click on the bell so he can tell you and notify you when I post new videos, so you can stay up to date. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you, and welcome. Please get on the plane because we're about to take off. À bientôt.